Hello and a very warm welcome to you all. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about loving and reusing your existing wardrobe pieces. Warm welcome in the literal sense because the weather has started to change and there is chill in the air. Our style is always affected by the change in weather. To beat the chill in the air, we need an extra layer. Leopard prints can be safely termed as the new neutral. It has been a big part of the fashion scene for the past 100 years, and all of a sudden this beautiful versatile print has become more popular than ever. It is one of those looks that is defining 2020. There is something magical and mysterious about this print. They are timeless and often walking the line between being flashy and classy. It can be worn as a stand-alone clothing or in combination with other fabric clothes or styles. Here I bring to you few outfit ideas to help you figure out how to wear leopard prints this fall and winter. Summer ready? Winter ready. Flared jeans will add the trendy element to your look when worn with a leopard print jacket, making you look chic and also at ease at the same time. Wear it for your casual day out. A day bag and sunnies will help you to navigate through the winter mornings. Wear your summer dresses with elan in winters by combining it with a leopard print jacket. Add a hint of glam by wearing glittery sneakers and a crossbody bag. You can combine your leopard print jacket with an array of colors and styles. It looks very gorgeous when worn with a red dress. If you don't want to bare your legs in winters, then wear black tights. A red sling bag will add adventure to your look and also make you look stylish. You can wear this look through the day or night depending upon the occasion. If you are wondering what to do with your one-shoulder dresses or tops in winters, then best is to combine it with a leopard print jacket. The jacket adds a fresher look to your attire and also in sync with the outside temperature. Complete your looks with black heels or black boots and a metallic bag. For your casual day out, just throw in your leopard print jacket over a white turtleneck shirt and a black skirt. To add more fun to this look, I have tied a white belt and have tied my hair in a high bun. Complete your day look with a hobo bag and your favorite sunglasses. The more monochromatic the rest of your look is, the more the effect of leopard print will pop. Make leopard print the focal point with an all-black outfit. You can wear this look in two ways. You can make this look party ready by tying a belt around your waist, wearing girly heels and carrying a metallic bag. The second way to wear this outfit is with a colored beanie. Beanie caps look adorable no matter what they are worn with. So for bonfire night with your family or night out with your friends, wear a colored beanie with this whole outfit. This is yet another party look. You can't miss leopard prints from the party scene. Bright colored dresses or pants will do wonders to add to a winter cozy look. So slay in parties with this outfit with metallic clutch and metallic heels. I had so much fun styling this new neutral for the winters, and I think you would be more confident now to style a leopard print. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you all for your continued love and support. I post every Sunday. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care and yes, slay in style with this new neutral.